Chromosomes play many important roles throughout a lifetime. Their function in fertilization and early embryo development is extremely important. Chromosomes carry all of our genetic material, and studying them allows us to increase our understanding of how we function on a microscopic level. Every cell in our body has 23 pairs of chromosomes, for a total of 46 chromosomes per cell. 22 of these pairs are called autosomes. The 23rd pair consists of the sex chromosomes. These differ between males and females. A normal male has an X and a Y chromosome. A female simply just has two copies of the X chromosome. Unlike the other cells in the body, sperm cells in males and egg cells in females only contain a single set of chromosomes, or 23 chromosomes total. These cells are called gametes, or sex cells. During fertilization, one sperm and one egg come together to form a single cell, with the required 46 chromosomes. This new cell is called an embryo. These sex cells are created through a type of cell division called meiosis. This occurs when a single parent cell divides into 4 unique daughter cells, each with half of the number of chromosomes of a normal cell. This process of meiosis is split into 2 phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. The overall process begins with a parent cell containing 46 chromosomes. During meiosis 1, these 46 chromosomes are duplicated, and one half of each copied chromosome separates into 2 daughter cells, each with a single copy of 46 chromosomes. Meiosis 2 involves the separation of the 2 daughter cells into 2 additional daughter cells each, totaling 4 cells with 23 chromosomes each. Even though it was known that both sperm and egg contribute chromosomes to a developing embryo, the exact amount was unknown. In 1902, Theodore Boveri conducted a series of experiments to test the significance of both the sperm and the egg in the donation of genetic material. Boveri performed a series of experiments on sea urchins that showed how both the sperm and the egg contribute the same amount of chromosomes to an embryo. He also noted that proper development only occurs with a specific combination of chromosomes, suggesting that each chromosome provides a different genetic component. Any more or any less chromosomes results in an abnormal development of the embryo. While Boveri was conducting his experiments, another scientist, Walter Sutton, was doing additional work on chromosomes using grasshoppers. Sutton studied how chromosomes from the egg and sperm paired and separated during meiosis. The Boveri-Sutton chromosome theory developed from the results of both scientists' experiments. There are several key points to this hypothesis, also known as the chromosome theory of inheritance, that supports the idea that chromosomes contain the genetic material responsible for inheritance. There are many checkpoints throughout early development to make sure that a normal embryo forms, but in some cases, mistakes can occur. For example, if 2 or more sperm enter the egg, known as polyspermy, a viable embryo is unable to form. Genetic disorders can also occur if chromosomes do not divide correctly during meiosis. One of the most well-known human disorders caused by chromosomal abnormalities is Down syndrome, also known as trisomy 21. People with Down syndrome have an extra copy of chromosome 21, as seen in this example karyotype of a male with Down syndrome. People with this disorder exhibit a distinct phenotype of characteristic facial features and short stature. Individuals with Down syndrome are also marked by a shorter lifespan and some degree of mental retardation. Chromosomal abnormalities resulting in the deletion of a copy of a chromosome can also result in a disorder. Turner's syndrome, also known as monosomy X, is the result of the deletion of an X chromosome in females. Women with Turner's syndrome only have 45 chromosomes as compared to the normal 46. Those with this disorder are short in stature and cannot reproduce. Overall, the Boveri-Sutton chromosome theory identifies chromosomes as the carriers of genetic material. Along with other factors, this theory defines chromosomes as what makes you, you. Chromosomes play such a key part in life itself. Thanks to Boveri, along with many other scientists that have laid the groundwork, we can continually grow our knowledge about the subject since there is always something to be learned about how chromosomes function, especially in humans.